Recently, the crypto market has been exceptionally active, with Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the charge and altcoins following suit. In particular, LSD tokens have even recorded a 24-hour growth of 120%. Further, as DeFi once again becomes active, Radiant Capital, an omnichain lending project, has captured the attention of many users. Meanwhile, there are rumors that Arbitrum, which is deployed by Radiant Capital, will soon issue coins. As a result, many users choose to directly interact with Radiant for a double win. In addition to Arbitrum, LayerZero, the #1 cross-chain project, is also behind Radiant. Now that the crypto categories have started to reshuffle, let's talk about LayerZero. LayerZero raised nearly $200 million through two financing rounds in September 2021 and March 2022. The first series of financing was led by Binance Labs and Multicoin, while the second Series A+ financing involved FTX, SBF, Sequoia Capital, A16Z, Uniswap, and Coinbase, which demonstrates the extensive recognition it earned among crypto institutions. Simply put, LayerZero consists of three components: endpoints, oracles, and relays. In particular, an endpoint is split into communicators, validators, networks, and libraries. Upon the occurrence of cross-chain transactions, the relevant information will be transmitted between endpoints through oracles and relays. Retail investors may capture more opportunities within the LayerZero ecosystem. Synthra is a cross-chain synthetic asset protocol based on the design of LayerZero. With the project, users can freely trade assets within the Synthra ecosystems and can mint and trade synthetic assets on the chain. According to public information, Synthra is now being deployed and built on chains including Ethereum, Aptos, Sui Network, and Sei Network, but overall, the project remains in its infancy. Stargate, a cross-chain liquidity protocol, is widely regarded as a cross-chain version of CRV. The project now allows users to transfer cryptos across chains that include Ethereum, BNB Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Phantom. Moreover, upon closer look, we noticed that Stargate's ambition goes beyond serving retail users. It also aims to evolve into a cross-chain asset transfer service provider for corporations. After Binance Launchpad, the hash flow price has not been particularly impressive. That said, as the market recovers, it also recorded decent growth. As a cross-chain decentralized exchange featuring zero slippage and protected by MEV, Hashflow is now available on 6 chains, spanning Ethereum, BNB Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism. Recently, RDNT, Radiant Capital's native token, has skyrocketed and become a trending DeFi project. Based on LayerZero/Stargate, Radiant is a multi-chain lending project deployed on the Arbitrum network. Radiant now supports the collateralized lending of 6 cryptos, respectively RDNT, USDC, DAI, USDT, ETH, and WBTC. SushiSwap is a cross-chain decentralized trading platform launched by SushiSwap, but unlike Hashflow, the project fully leverages AMM in cross-chain transactions and now supports 7 chains, i.e. Ethereum, BNB Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Phantom. Apart from the ones we mentioned, there are many more interesting projects, such as InterSwap, a fully composable native asset cross-chain AMM protocol, Kashmir Labs, an omni-chain interoperability DEX aggregator that's resistant to MEV, and many others. As the crypto market shifts from Web 2 to Web 3, everything will become more open and inclusive, and LayerZero's modular structure and omni-chain model will definitely create more possibilities for the development of Web 3. Speaking of which, we'll have to mention CoinEx, the first CEX to launch AMM service. As a long-established exchange running for over 5 years, CoinEx has always put users first.